Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu from ARTY KRAFTY. CBSE has recently published the date sheet for the term 2 examination, and the date for the subjects painting, graphics, sculpture and applied arts is Monday the 6th June 2022. The timing is 10:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Today, we will solve the sample question paper of term 2 of the subject painting having code number 049. So, let's start. This is the sample question paper for term 2 of the subject painting having code number 049 of class 12 CBSE for the academic session 2021-22. Maximum time 6 minutes or 1 hour. Maximum marks 15. The question paper has 6 questions and all are compulsory. Question number 1 to 4 has 2 marks each. Question number 5 has 3 marks and 6 has 4 marks. Question number 1 is name 2 famous sculptors and their artwork that reflects the condition of poor people in India at that time. The answer is Santhal family created by Ram Kinkar Bej and Cries Unheard created by Amarnath Sehgal. These are the pictures of sculptures, Santhal family and Cries Unheard. In question number 2, you have to write the name of 2 graphic prints based on human figures along with their method and materials. In question number 3, you have to find out the father of folk renaissance of India and describe one of his artwork which is in your course of study. These are the pictures of 2 graphic prints and 1 painting, Mother and Child by Jamini Roy. Question number 4 describes about the works of Raja Ravi Verma, and you have to write about the painting Rama vanquishing the pride of ocean. This is the picture of the painting done by Raja Ravi Verma. There is an internal choice in question number 4. In this question, you have to write about the significance of the 3 colors of our national flag along with the significance of 24 spokes in Ashoka Chakra. In question number 5, you have to describe the painting Haldi Grinders by Amrita Shergill. This is the picture of Haldi Grinders by Amrita Shergill. There is also an internal choice in question number 5. In this question, you have to write about the painting Mother Teresa by Maqbul Fida Hussain. This is the picture of Mother Teresa by M.F. Hussain. Question number 6 is a very long answer type question. Here you have to write the origin and development of Bengal School of Art, its artistic features and themes. Name your favorite artist of Bengal School and describe his artwork which is in your course of study. Here, according to my favorite, Abanindranath Tagore and his artwork Journey's End. This is the picture of Journey's End by Abanindranath Tagore. If there is any doubt or query, please contact at my mail ID or comment at the comment box of my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if there is any doubt or query, please put note in the comment box below. See you in the next video. Bye.